Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to Sister J's World. Today I'm making a healthy, refreshing watermelon juice. Let's make it.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you know, say a chat boss. I'm here represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J. I hear a word. Sister J word. I hear a word.
So here I have the watermelon. I'm going to cut it open and prepare some of it to get ready to make the juice. Watermelon have a high water content and it is packed with vitamin and mineral. Not to mention, it can be used as a natural source of Viagra for the men. Here I have the ginger. I'm going to have it peel. And now I'm adding the ginger to the blender along with some water. And I'm just going to get it blend. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Now I'm straining the ginger. And I'm going to go ahead and use this ginger juice to blend the watermelon. So now I'm blending the watermelon, and this is gonna be 2 sets of blending. Yeah. So now I'm straining the juice. And guys, as I said, and you can do your research, watermelon have great health benefit. Yes, great health benefits. Yeah. And it is so refreshing too. So now I'm straining the second set. After straining, this is what the juice look like. And you can drink it just like this, or you can sweeten it. So I'm gonna be sweetening a portion of it, okay? Looks nice and refreshing, right? So the one on the left is just gonna drink like that, and this one on the right, I'm gonna sweeten it. So I'm adding some sugar, and I'm just gonna go ahead and sweeten this. You can also use brown sugar if you're trying this recipe out. But for now, I'm using white sugar. Okay? Nice, refreshing watermelon juice. So now I'm pouring a glass. And look at this refreshing watermelon juice. You can add ice to this, or you can just drink it like that. So there you have it, my lovely people. My watermelon ginger juice is ready. And you can enjoy this any time of day, morning, noon, or night. Yes, refreshing. Yes. Please remember to share this video out and put that thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Right here on Sister J's World, I do healthy juices and smoothie, and I also do vlogs and lifestyle. Okay? Blessings to all. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's World.